Ulavinaka, and back to our beautiful baby that we were discussing. So, Bona Peipei. Ooh, e Peipei Rai Rai Vinaka. Sa Vula Vida. Sa Vula Vida. So remember with the question mark, the voice tone sort of goes up at the end. Sa Vula Vida. Sa Vula Vida. Mm. Okay. What does that mean? Well, with the first sentence, I'm sure you still remember. Go on, pay. This is a baby, right? Then we come to this sentence, and remember, Fiji has over 100 dialects, and the one that we keep as lingua franca, as communicating dialect among all the various provinces, the various dialects is Standard Fijian or Vosavakaviti Raramba, right? So it is now officially classified as Standard Fijian. That's capital F there on the Fijian, Standard Fijian, or Vosavakaviti Raramba. That's the official name given to that common lingua franca, the communicating dialect among Fijians from the various parts of Fiji, right? So this is the Fijian that we are using here, that Fijians use all the time, daily in their daily conversations, but in their various families or in their various villages, their provinces, they have their own particular dialect. So the next sentence, would you be able to read it? Ooh, it's an exclamation mark, and an exclamation of wonderment. Ooh, e pepe vinaka. So did you get the meaning? The meaning is, maybe we will do that here. Wow. What a, oh yeah, that was what a beautiful baby. Right? So what do we see? Comparing that, well, they seem to match each other in the transference of the meaning in the structure of the sentence. English is not too verbose or not too long. And what about with this one? U e pepe re vinaka. Wow, what a beautiful baby. Or can you put it in another way? Oh, wow. The baby is beautiful. Oh, sorry. Baby is, yeah. The baby is beautiful. The baby is beautiful. Hmm. Either way, okay. Can you see there? Fijian is more succinct, uh, and as you can see, the adjective is beautiful, describing the baby, and with the Fijian, as we know, we talked previously about how people think in the language that they speak, think differently when we look at other languages. So, and uh, the the baby is here. That's the subject, and the adjective comes after. But in English, it comes before. Beautiful baby. Fijian is Peipei, and the adjective is Rai Vinak. The English compound the word beautiful, just one. Beautiful Fijian will be two. Rai Vinaka. Iyo. Okay, you got that one? So the adjective comes after the subject, describing the subject or the object. Pepe Rai Vinaka, what a beautiful baby. Uh, Say another example just to drive home the point. Say, for example, we were eating a delicious apple. Pigeon would be Apollo. Uh, Pardon. Yeah. Yeah. English just said the first one. Adjective delicious apple, Fijian Apollo Kanavinaka, but the adjective comes after. All right. Right. And then a question is posed. Savula vida. Are you able to read that? Savula vida. Savula vida. Hmm. So what is that? Literally, sa is like a tense marker. Sa bula vida, like a present. So bula is moon. If we say just look at the individual words and okay, the sleep size it is, and we say just for example, this one here moon and vida is how much? Okay, moon how much? All right. It doesn't make much sense, does it? When you just look at those three words. So what is it saying? When the pidgin is just saying those three words, if you transfer the words directly to an English person, it doesn't or whoever, it doesn't make sense. Vula is moon, Vida is how much, moon how much, moon how much. But in actual fact, that is uh, the meaning is what is being asked there is many months is it? That's asking the baby's age. How many months? How many months is it? Okay. So the present tense asking the presently the age of the baby. How many months is it? And see how succinct Fijian is in just those three words. And if we were to transfer the words directly into English, sa is like the present tense marker, tense marker, and the word vula is moon, and the vida is how much? Okay, moon how much? All right, but the way the sentence is structured, the words are structured in the mind of the person speaking in Fijian. You transfer the thought across into English, not thought, not the words. You decipher them, the thought pattern, the thinking in the mind of the Fijian when he's saying moon how much, is actually saying this. The words come out as this. How many months is it? Interesting, isn't it? So back to what I was telling you, what I was saying before, with indigenous languages dying away, okay, and those that are gone completely. So we have completely lost delving into the way people thought in that particular era. Think of the many um, indigenous tribes in the vast stretch of the Amazon rainforest. Some of them have disappeared forever, along with their language and their culture and their way of life. So there you go. All right. Moon, how much? How many months is it? Let's try and read again, just to get this. Yes, this again about the Peipei. Go na Peipei, right? Once again, go na Peipei. E Peipei rai rai vinaka. Savula vida. Okay. And as you can see there, with the meaning in English, now you get the sense of what Fijian is saying. Una valeu, keep up with your Bosovaviti, Raramba, standard Fijian, and hope to see you again next time. And please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave that in the comments section. Would appreciate that very much. Mode.